Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United Kingdom. I've been absent for a while. I won't bore you with the details. Suffice to say, life has been a little bit manic. Anyway, I'm back. I hope to be getting back to creating and sharing some of my creations a bit more with you over the next few weeks, taking it slowly. But what I thought I'd share with you first is actually an unboxing. I don't normally do unboxing, but I thought if I'm going to try and get myself remotivated, let's have some new goodies and see what we can do. And what I've got here is my goodies from the new autumn winter catalogue. I literally haven't even opened the box. I've had it here 2 days, so you will see it as I see it. So here we go. Unboxing it is, so it could be this could be interesting. So what I've done is I have chosen items from my pre-order. So these are available to customers from September, and as a demonstrator we get to order things sooner rather than later, which is lovely because it means I can prepare for some classes. So on the whole, this is going to be new product, although I have just spotted some really exciting stuff like a snail refill, and I've got some papers and some punches and of course some catalogues. Now I can't show you the inside of the catalogue yet, but what I can do is share some of the lovely items, and I can share the cover. So here we go, here's the cover. There we go, look, cover. I can move the box out of the way now, that would probably be a sensible idea. And as I say, some of these things actually are from the main catalogue. Wow, oh look, the light has improved. So this is the new catalogue. As I said, I can't show you the inside, but this is the front and the back. Lots of things under £25, so some nice gifting ideas as well, if you want to. It's Christmas. We're going to have lots of red and green. We're going to have snowmen. So some of the things you will see will be similar to things in the past, but with a new twist, and of course with the new cling stamps anyway. But there's some really lovely things in here, which I'm going to share with you. So here we go. So okay, what have I got? I have got some beautiful ribbon. Now this is lovely. This is a metallic ribbon and it's in one of the new in colours. So this to me is perfect for Christmas. I like kind of, I'm going to say non-traditional. I do love red and green for Christmas. I think it's because it's traditional, but I also love sort of blues and lilacs, and this is beautiful. It's Seaside Spray metallic ribbon and it's a nice width. It's actually a little bit narrower, so it's actually just over 6mm wide, but lovely for parcels and bows. Glitter enamel dots, so red and green, great for holly berries, lovely for putting a little accent on there, plenty of them, in a range of sizes as well, so that is going to be really useful. I'll obviously need to check this off against my lovely little list, which Stampin' Up! Send. So what else have I got? Okay, so this is great. Yes, we have got some punches. I do like a punch, particularly for Christmas, particularly when it's coming for a class. I find that it's really, really useful, and for speed making for Christmas, a punch is great. I mean, I love die cutting as well, and these are just two very pretty shapes. They come in a pack of two, a larger and a smaller, you can see there, and they coordinate with this lovely Christmas gleaming stamp set. Very traditional ornaments here, pretty accents, nice sentiments, and good old holly leaf. And then it also coordinates with this one here, the Memories of Home, with that smaller one. So I've got this because actually I want to recreate one of the cards from the catalogue, or my version of it. This is a lovely image, perfect for those of you who like colouring, and again some nice Christmas sentiments. So that's my kind of a couple of the cards I'll be doing in my Christmas stamper stack. Well, it's kind of a stamper stack. We're kind of doing 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs, but I always do mine with just 3 cards, and people can always get stuff to make extras. You've already seen the snail refill, that wasn't very exciting. Oh, this is from the this is the double side. I can't remember if this is the I think this actually might be the main catalogue, but I thought this was lovely because I'm going to be doing part of my Christmas packaging class. It's the lovely pretty peacock and olive green double-sided ribbon that goes with the Noble Peacock, so it's main catalogue. But I bought that because I wanted it to go with the Noble Peacock paper, but also something that's in the main catalogue, which I will show you now. So Noble Peacock paper, and this is really, I mean, this is designer series paper, but this is more of the cardstock weight type. So this is the foiled paper, and these are just beautiful. I've resisted and now I can't, but I'll be using these for my box making class. As you can see, great, because they have got you've got I think it's 4 sheets of each of the designs, and this ribbon, as you can see, is just beautiful with those. So that's going to be one of my Christmas projects. So a stack of boxes using lovely foils. And I also went for this one, and this is the brightly gleaming specialty designer series paper. Okay, so you'll see here, and these are again lovely. They are a paper, so they're not quite as thick as the foiled stuff card, but they're great for, they'll be fine for boxes or for layers. Lovely foiled paper, and of course they are double-sided. So let's have a look at what we've got in the way of reverses. So foiled on one side, and that's the reverse of that one. Lovely ornaments you can see there, and some old olive behind. And that's why I said I bought this ribbon, because, you know, it's going to go really well with this pack as well. Lovely foiled paper, lovely pretty peacock design on the reverse. Again, foiled design, almost filigree kind of design, and a more Christmassy one on the back. And again, you won't be surprised to find that, as usual, with Stampin' Up, on the one side it's a seasonal kind of, but the other side is more generic, and that's something they quite deliberately do for us. So, you know, things like stripes you can use all year round. So if you get to the end of Christmas, you haven't got to throw your paper away or keep it to next Christmas. You can use it throughout the year. So that's our brightly gleaming. That's part of the suite that goes with the ornaments. And the nice thing with the bundles is they're doing the same in this catalogue as they have in some of the others, and that is to have a single code for the whole suite. So all of the things that coordinate together just come with one code if you want the whole lot. Obviously, if you don't, you can just order the items as they are individually, or buy them in a bundle. So usual dies and stamp sets, and dies and punches come in a bundle with a 10% discount. This suite is called Let It Snow. So this is very much Christmas. Again, this is a designer series paper, so it is paper, not cardstock, but of course that does help when you're making cards to go in the post this time of year. And on the one side this is glittered and plain on the reverse, again with colours and designs that can be used all year round. So we have got some lovely glittery trees with a reverse. We have got some hats and snowman things, and lovely. See, I love this the super colour combination. That's slightly lighter green. These snowmen are super. Look at these. I mean, you know, a strip of that across, and you've got 6 card fronts there. You could literally just chop that into, 6 by 4, or in fact more than that. You'd actually get 8 card fronts. You just have a strip with some layers. Super quick cards. That might even make it into my stamper stack, I think. That was really good. And in fact, look at that on the reverse. Great background. Again, sort of single images. You could die cut these out with circles, circles and ovals. You could fussy cut them out. Nice bit of glitter on there, and then the reverse, great for cutting little accent pieces out. Some mittens. This one isn't a glittered one, and on the back of the mittens again there's some candy stripes, and then the final one again isn't glittered. This is an overall paper, and again some stripes. So those would make great backgrounds to go with some of those other elements to make some very quick cards, and you could get so many cards out of that pack of paper really quick and easily. So that I think that may well be a very useful one to have on my stash. Other things I have got then, how are we doing on time? I try not to go, well, you know me, I don't do my 20 minutes. So, beautiful bows. Okay, so we have had a stamp set that has been on lots of people's wish list for a very long time, and this was one that is, I think it was called Peaceful Pines. Anyway, this is Peaceful Bows. This is lovely and actually has got some super pine cone accents. So with all of those leaves, lovely sentiment and pine cones, you could do a fabulous card with those. And it comes with some dies, and these are the new style dies. So these are the ones that kind of hug the outside. So we've moved away from the Sizzix ones to these ones, which of course and they're all in these 6x4 slightly more convenient package shapes. Okay, and in here I have gone for these because you've got a lovely branch, nice accent pieces, and it was this frame that I really liked with little cutaway corners and little accents, and say cut out the pine cones as well. So that's nice new stamp set. This is going to sit very nice on a piece of magnetic sheet inside. Away we go with some quick and easy cards. That's another one for my stamper stack, so that'll be really useful. This is a fabulous set. Okay, mental health issues. Let's talk mental health. Apart from the fact that crafting is really good for your mental health, lots of people struggle with mental health at different times for all sorts of reasons, and I know that from my own personal experience and that of my family, and this stamp set is to support mental health charities. So with this stamp set, it is in the catalogue, and it's the Be a Difference Maker, and £2.50, €3 of every stamp set that is sold goes towards mental health organisations. So I would have bought it anyway because of the lovely images, but even more so because of that. But look at these. I'm going to be doing a card with these very soon. And for those of you that miss lovely as a tree, look at these little trees. These are going to be great for adding accents to cards. A little bit of glitter, one of these images, super cards on their way. Then what else have I got? What's this one? Oh, mini curvy keepsakes. Okay, I have still got my curvy keepsakes box. I love it, and it is fabulous, and I will keep it. It is not going anywhere, but I love this one because look how cute this is. This is a mini curvy keepsake box. So you are going to be able to create little 2x2 inch curvy keepsake boxes with one cut of the through your die machine. Lovely accent tags with the stitching on them, little bits of foliage as well as a little snowflake. I just bought the dies for the moment because I'm trying to be sensible, but that is going to be, I think I might do something adventy with that as well, and I'm going to be using it with some of this paper. Okay, this is called Feels Like Frost paper. As you can see, I kind of went for the papers on this time. I was proud of myself. I was restrained. Okay, so last little bit of the paper. So, Feels Like Frost. This is paper, which means, again, it's going to help keep the weight down on Christmas cards. I'm one for putting lots of layers on, and then you go to put it in the post and it's like, oh my giddy aunt, this is large letter, it's kind of thick, and it's really heavy. So these have got all the beauty of the foiling without that weight of cardstock, and by the time you put it on some of the Stampin' Up card, it's perfect. So this is 4 sheets of each pattern, so double-sided. So we've got some lovely foiling with, look at these images on the back. So again, quick and easy cards. These are going to be absolutely perfect for you if you want to make cards. So foil on one side, lovely image, wintry image on the other side. Again, foil on one side, and look at that. And you can see why I chose these, because this one is going to be perfect with that lovely peaceful boughs. It would also be perfect with these snowy images of foxes and rabbits. So you can see how there's a real mix and match, so that you can make your supplies go further. So again, foiled images on one side, quite generic, but lovely photographic on the other side. And this is lovely. It appeals to me because it's silver, and I do a lot more silver than I do gold, but look how pretty that is. Lovely pinks that you're going to go in with that. Then we've also got here, okay, again, photographic image on the reverse, which is beautiful. Again, some lovely sort of bow images, great for adding an accent. And a look at that snow scene on the reverse. I don't know which side I prefer of these. I like both sides. And 4 sheets of each means it's great for me, because you know you can make 4 cards all the same, or you can mix and match. If you like the foils, you've got so much foil in here. Again, lovely images, and that could be wintry image. Winter birthdays would be great with this as well. Again, a nice foil. I'm probably not doing a service here because I'm oohing and ahhing myself. And again, look at those pinks. Look at that. Those look like rose leaves with some frost on them. Super foiled snowfall image with, again, look at that, so pretty. And then the final one. Okay, so what you have got there, look at that, you have got 48 sheets, I'm sure it is. Yeah, it'll be 48 sheets in there. 6x6 paper, lots of different designs, but lots of choice as well. Again, Christmas cards are going to be a cinch to do with that. So that's definitely, as I say, another one that's in use. So there you go, not massive amounts, but hopefully to show that, with that, I've got 3 different supplies and 3 card designs for my stamper stack. I've got the paper to do some other things. This will be lovely using those papers, just seen the foiled papers, to make little table favours. And then I've got some fabulous accents as well. Things like this metallic ribbon. You imagine this metallic ribbon with this, look at that, so pretty. Seaside spray, really soft, pretty colours. I suspect it's got a bit of Rococo Rose in it. Yes, it has Rococo Rose, Smoky Slate, Pretty Peacock. Yeah, so you could pick out those blues in there. Balmy blue as well, and a bit of Blushing Bride. So lots of loveliness. I'm really pleased with those, and as I say, lots of sheets of it that are going to make layering up easy. And if you haven't got a catalogue already, I've just ordered some extra ones in as well. If you are in the UK or Europe and you would like a catalogue, then just drop me a line. If you haven't already got a demonstrator, I'll get one in the post to you, and you can order these items from the 4th of September. Or you can join my team of Flutterby's, my fledgling little team. Perhaps we're chrysalises rather than fledglings, but we have a lot of laughs. I've got 3 ladies in my team at the moment, and we get together and have fun, and I post things on our Facebook page, share items. But if you wanted to join now, you could join, and you could get your starter kit, including all of this lovely brand new items right now. So if you're interested, just give me a call or drop me an email, and I'll be happy to have a chat to you. In the meantime, great to be back. Hopefully you'll see some more videos coming from me soon, and I'd love to be crafting along with you. Bye now, and see you all soon.